Hey guys, so this is my room. Alright, and the way you open the door is you take your bracelet that they give you, and the silver part goes there, turns it green, and then voila, we come in. So my luggage has not arrived as of yet. Wait a minute. They upgraded me. Oh, I got upgraded. So, this, as you come in, this is the closet. Now, oh, I see. So, this here is do not disturb, and then this one here is for drinks. Oh, wow. They fancy. They fancy here. Okay. Now, I know this is the bathroom. It's sort of narrow, but it'll do, right? Okay, so the toilet. Oh, the toilet. You have the sink. You have the towels. You have me. Yay. And then you have the shower. Yeah, it's narrow, but I can fit, and that's the most important thing. Oh, my hat fell on the floor. Jesus. Okay. Now, bend down, take my hat. Let me rest my jacket. So, here we are, and this is the little bar area. Trash can. Let's see, does the refrigerator have anything? No, it does not have anything in it. It's completely empty, which is okay. Quite all right. This is the desk. Trading cards. Interesting. So this is the schedule that they have here. Okay, and then now, I can't tell if this chair is beat up or if that's the design. I don't know. And then they have this pedestal here. I guess this is a storage area. Let's see. No. But I guess I could put some stuff on top. Padded headboard. This desk is nice, but I'm gonna move it because it's gonna be in my way. The bed to me seems kind of low, but listen, it's only 5 days, so it doesn't matter, right? And then here you have the flat screen TV. If I wanted to put something to connect it behind, it's gonna be a bit difficult to do. All right. And then they have another little sort of like end table area there. All right, so I can't believe I got a upgrade and I didn't even know. Nobody even told me that I was upgraded. I paid for an inside room. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Okay, let's open it up here. Let's open it up.
Ahoy, sailors. Our mandatory sailor assembly drill is now complete. Thank you for ensuring that our ladyship is safe and ready to sail. Thank you for your cooperation. Now it is time to set sail.
Oh my God.
The Virgin Way.
Yes. So guys, we are looking at the parking lot at the current moment. All right. And as you heard, we're about to set sail. Alright, just showing you a little bit of the view for right now before we depart, right? But let me get back in and speak my fit. What I'm wearing is something I've actually worn before. Here we go.
Ahoy, crew. All crew involved in the drill can now return to Rockstar service. Thank you.
Let's get that out the way. Let's speak the fit, people. Let's speak the fit. So you've seen this before. It is a tracksuit Okay. Army fatigue on it. It says nice. Now I have on my wrist a wrist wallet. That's right. I can put 2 credit cards and some money in here. This is great for like when you go to the gym and you don't feel like, you know, carrying your purse and the whole 9 yards, right? All right. Okay. And then now I have this t-shirt on. This t-shirt says REWBCO on it. This is a real estate seminar that I went to last year. Now, the pants have pockets here, all right? No pockets up there, just 2 pockets down at the bottom here, right? Where you see these little tassels or whatever you want to call it. I got them on my Feli sneakers. Okay, that's what I'm wearing. Going back up to the top, I have on my headband and I have on some plain earrings, plain hoop earrings. All right, so that's my fit.